Hello students, in this video I'll do question number 1 of exercise 8.2 of trigonometry class 10th. So in question number 1, it is to evaluate the following: sine 60 degree multiplied by cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree multiplied by cos 60 degree. So sine 60 degree and 30 degree, we can find the value from table as well. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Again, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So we can derive it by we can derive this equation, these values by Pythagoras theorem, and here I am deriving it. Let this is an equilateral triangle ABC with side A, and AD is bisector, perpendicular bisector of side BC. Then side BD, this line segment BD will be A by 2. BD is equal to A by 2. Now by Pythagoras theorem we can find, and if we take this angle 30 degree, then by Pythagoras theorem we can find easily the value of side AD. So side for this angle 30 degree, this is base, and we can write it as A square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to A by 2 whole square plus base square, and that base is A square minus A square by 4 by shifting this side is equal to B square, and it is by solving this 4A square minus A square by 4 is equal to B square, and that is 3A square by 4 is equal to B square, and hence B is equal to A by 2 and root 3. So B here is equal to A by 2 root 3, and now sine 30, for this sine 30 will be what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is A by 2 by A, which is equal to 1 by 2, and I am writing here 30 instead of theta. Sine 30 degree and cos 30 degree, we have derived this. It is A by 2 and root 3, and by this hypotenuse cancelling this one, it is root 3 by 2. Following this process only, we can derive all these formula for different angles. Let's take this angle with 60 degree. Then for this angle 60 degree, this will become the base and this will become the perpendicular and hypotenuse, and we can easily derive these values. Okay, so now solving this question, we can write only the values. Sine 60, it is root 3 by 2 and multiplied by cos 30, that is root 3 by 2 again, plus sine 30, that is 1 by 2, and cos 60, then cos 60 is 1 by 2 again. So by solving, root 3 into root 3, which is 3, and 2 multiplied by 2, it is 4, plus 1 and 4, and it is 4 by 4, and it is equal to 1. Thank you.